What's up everyone? Welcome to Yogartec Channel. My name is John and I'm with my partner Wambui. Today we have an awesome practice of 10 steps of doing a great handstand with the help of our partner, and let's get started. Step 1. Come all the way to child pose. Your knees as wide as your mat. Extend your hands all the way forward. Then shift your weight all the way towards your heels. Step 2. Find yourself all the way into your hands and knees. Your shoulders in the same line with your elbows and your wrist. Your hips in the same line with your knees. Step 3. Downward facing dog. Press your hands down. Take your tailbone up to the sky. Spread all your 10 fingers down to the floor and press your palms more to the ground. Take your heels more to the back, engaging your core. If your heels are able to touch the floor, it's okay. If they are not able to touch the ground, it's still okay. Step 4. Take your left leg all the way up to the sky. Your left toes pointing down to the ground. Now your partner comes all the way to the back. Now your partner supports your shins. Now step 5. Take your right leg all the way up to the sky, coming all the way to handstand. Support your partner. Now spread your fingers more to the ground to gain that groundness. You're engaging your core, hips in. Then come all the way to the back, supporting your partner's shin again. Then slowly drop your left leg up. Then the other foot goes all the way down. Step 8. Downward facing dog again. Step 9. Find yourself back to your hands and knees. And finally step 10. Come all the way to child pose. A relaxing pose here. Stay here as you drop your forehead more to the ground. And take a couple of breaths here. You can take 5 breaths or 3 breaths. Or if it feels great for you at this moment, you can just stay here any moment that you want. And when you're done, slowly come all the way up. And find yourself to sitting all the way down.
Thank you for joining us at Yogartec Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below and share. See you in our next video at Yogartec Channel. Thank you.